Next, we will learn how to convert a mixed number, which is a combination of whole number and a proper fraction, into an improper fraction. So now what we will do is, we will solve it like this. We will multiply 4 and 7, and then we will add 5. We will multiply 4 and 7, and we will add 5. So now let's see what we come up with. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 5 is 33. So what we have just come up with is now my numerator. So the answer will be 33 over 7. So the rule is that you multiply the quotient and the divisor, and then you add the remainder to that. Because this is what we got from our last calculation, where we divided 33 by 7. So this is where we came from. So we converted our improper into this mixed number. And now we are just doing the backwards process. So it just creates a cycle over here of converting a mixed number into improper and then converting an improper back into a mixed number. Now let's have a look at another example just so that it's a little bit clear to you. Three and a half. A very simple example. 3 and a half. Now, we're going to multiply 3 and 2. I'm going to add 1 to it. 3 times 2, 6, plus 1 equals 7. Now this is my numerator, not my answer. So now I'm going to write this out as the whole problem 7 over 2, which is improper, but that's the whole thing to convert a mixed number into its improper equivalent. So a mixed number into its improper equivalent. So this is the answer in improper form.